Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use hosting your horizons in ChatGPT to build websites and apps without coding. So let's get started. First, you want to log into your ChatGPT and head over to the apps by clicking this more, choose apps. Now, this is where you can find and connect different tools. From here, you want to look for Hostinger, choose this, and choose connect. And once you connect, you'll have to log in and improve access. And once that's done, you're ready to start building. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. So instead of manually designing a website, you can simply describe what you want. Just type in a detailed prompt like the purpose of your site, the layout, the style, and any features you want, and Hostinger will generate a working website for you. Once your site is created, you're not stuck with the first version. You can keep chatting to refine everything. You can ask it to change the design, update text, add sections, or improve the layout. It basically works like a no-code builder where you can just describe changes and it updates your site instantly. So that's it. Hosting Horizon inside ChatGPT turns website creation into a simple conversation, making it super easy to build and launch projects, even if you have zero coding experience. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.